I started the business back in 1982 as Kenny's Mobile Aircraft Service. I started operating out of the back of my pickup truck, and everybody jokingly referred to it as Big Blue. The business was growing exponentially. I started out with myself and 3 other technicians. It was something that we had started out. We had never anticipated what Lone Mountain was going to become. What I did know is that our company would evolve with the industry. That vision and that direction is what built Lone Mountain to where it is today. In 2022, Lone Mountain Aviation became Service Center of the Year. My wife and I have been married 52 years, and it's time for us to be able to look ahead to something else, find something else. The company has the capabilities to expand and grow and evolve even further, and I felt it was time to find somebody else to take over.
It's kind of humbling and incredible to be able to say, like, here we are. The day is upon us. I'm excited to take this baton and build upon the incredible business that Kenny has built here. Lone Mountain Aviation has a worldwide reputation. A Cirrus Service Center, a Textron Service Center, a Beechcraft Service Center, an Epic Service Center. They service Williams engines. They service Continental. They're a Garmin Service Center. When I went to school at the University of North Dakota to be an airline pilot, I never could have imagined that I'd be selling airplanes all over the world, have a flight school delivering flight training in 20 different airplanes, and now to be entering the aircraft maintenance business. And I'm super excited to be able to say that we can deliver all of those here out of the Henderson Executive and North Las Vegas airports.